The way to support yourself by purchasing gold. Within the last number of years, the cost of gold has shot up even while other investment opportunities have stumbled. Savvy investors have got careful note of the fact, and fascination with gold investing is at an all-time high now. To reach your goals with gold trading, you need to have some knowledge on it. Read on to begin with gold trading. Once you sell gold, you must obtain a kind of estimated value from multiple sources. Lots of services and jewelry stores are around, and they can usually vary in just how much they profit. Once you have several estimates, you'll use a better notion of what fair market price is. Prior to buying gold, make sure to know precisely when it will likely be transported to you. When you don't get delivery immediately, get something in creating which confirms delivery of your respective pieces. This should actually be explained in no uncertain terms. Don't proceed with the order till you have this information. If you're sending your gold to any company through the mail, take a look before doing business with them. Be sure you understand the reimbursement terms, and don't fail to purchase postal insurance for your package. Require a photo of the things you mail to fight against disputes later on. Buy your jewelry appraised. It costs a bit, nevertheless the knowledge gained is valuable. As a way to have it valued most accurately, choose an appraiser that is accredited and independent. Usually do not expect to have the full value of the appraisal, but you should try locating a buyer who provides you with an amount as near to the appraisal as you possibly can. Keep in mind any items containing gold might be sold to someone dealing in gold. This might be tableware, broken jewelry, as well as other stuff you may have around your residence. It doesn't need to be 24 karat either. It might be plated gold or perhaps simply a portion of the item consists of gold. You'll get a good return on the sale. Consider giving gold money a go for gold purchases. This is certainly like opening a bank account for gold. You may open an account, fund it, after which determine what price you intend to pay for gold allocation. Your gold is physically stored in a vault where it could be cashed in, segmented or redeemed for bullion bars. When you're selling your gold, you need to do the proper research. Also, it could be beneficial to compare costs and find out what other people are selling similar items for. This can be a price point that you can deal with. Always ask for more than what you need, as this will leave some room to barter. Earring backings are often solid gold, even when the earrings usually are not. Necklace clasps and ring bands are too. Because they pieces do not weigh a great deal, try selling them as a lot. The greater number of you have, the greater they are going to weigh. Browse the fine print on all forms you will need to sign. This business relates to considerable amounts of cash. You need to know what you really are signing. If you believe any ounce of uncertainty, leave. You should make sure you financially protect yourself. Gold is a very lucrative but volatile investment. Should you can't handle losing money, this is not the investment for you personally. Regardless of whether you're ready to get into these choppy seas, take steps to limit your risk. You should invest only 10% of your portfolio in gold. Limiting gold to 5% or a smaller amount of your total investment is advisable. Research a dealer before doing business with them. To find a reputable dealer that sells gold, call the neighborhood BBB. By contacting the BBB, you will notice in case they have any complaints against them. If complaints happen to be filed, use another dealer. As a smart investor in gold pieces, figure out how to test for the grade. The purity of golds is measured by carats. The greater the carat number, the costlier and a lot more pure the gold is going to be per ounce. You are unable to rely on the stamp with the carat. If you know the way to test gold's purity, you should never be overcharged. Gather information about any gold dealer you are interested in selling to. This can be key if you work with mail-in services or clients who are not local. Be sure to look into the BBB for listings of reputable and reliable gold purchasers. Set goals as you plan to get gold. Gold is a superb hedge against economic instability and inflation, but it could be a volatile investment. By setting goals and limits beforehand, the likelihood of making profits increase. You can find the ideal gold deals by purchasing from people. You should fully understand the risks you take. Make sure you get the coin appraised. If a person has an inexpensive coin on the market and you're sure the coin involved is real, proceed to create the purchase. Should you be selling gold containing gems attached to it, figure out whether you can keep them. The truly small pieces are rather hard to remove, however. Most dealers will not be considering very small gems, while they hold no value each time a piece is melted down. Ensure that your gold investments have been in balance with your total investment portfolio. The gold itself won't pay your rent, unlike how immediate profits from stocks and bonds might. Also, gold carries a very volatile price. Only once equities devalue, it will increase in value. You should invest no more than 5% of your respective investment portfolio in gold. You ought to be checking both weekly and in addition monthly gold charts when you find yourself having a technical approach. MXC charts are good for plotting trends and figuring out applicable research. It's better to use both of these charts for better research. Everyone is pumped up about the potential for gold to consolidate resources and safeguard finances. You may be enthusiastic about doing a bit of gold investment of your very own. Making use of the above advice on gold will allow you to find success.
GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.